Hi, my name's Nicole Cramer. I am a speaker and a sales coach. I've been doing this for many years because it's so important to me to help people understand what selling actually is. We're really just helping people make buying decisions. And when we know how to do that and we know how to influence people's decisions, we're able to help more people. A lot of stuff we're going to talk about today is really simple, but the reason it works is because it's simple. Quite often we ask really heavy, really dense questions that are hard for people to answer, and it doesn't then go anywhere. She said, "Hey, thanks for shooting this over. You're welcome. If I saw more like this, would it be helpful to send them over?" Simple yes or no question. Simple questions. We're just going back and forth. Remember, it's questions that lead to conversations. The goal of today's workshop is to help agents understand how to articulate their value in the most important conversations so that they're winning more listings and they're able to help more people buy and sell their home by understanding what's valuable to that person and how to communicate that effectively. We don't get to master this work. This is not about like you're gonna learn all the magic phrases, you're gonna have them all mastered, you're good to go. This is like learning a new language. It really is. It's awkward until it's elegant. Just be okay with messing it up. It's going to happen. It's safer to mess it up here right now than it is in your actual important conversation. Some of the most valuable lessons involve not selling and being interested in the other person and staying curious so that we're continuing the conversation until the person is in a position to buy.
I'm John Reed. I am a team leader and a realtor with Keller Williams Metro South. Been a team leader for 3 years, been a realtor for almost 11 years. Come to the workshop, get out of your own way, learn better ways to reach your people.
If you're going on a listing appointment, it's not like, pick me, pick me. So many people are like, it's like first date desperation. You're like, I hope he likes me. I hope he wants to date me. How do you know you want to date him? Let's slow it down, right? Let's make sure this is right for both of us before we make any kind of decision on what happens next. I remember when I was at a time in my life where I realized if I knew how to influence more of the conversations that I was in, I could help more people and then we would all win. And ultimately around that time, I came across a little book called Exactly What to Say. And this book is full of magic phrases that help you have more influence in your important conversations, whether that's in your business life or your personal life. And ultimately, when we understand how to speak the language of influence and earn trust from the people that we're looking to help, then Exactly What to Say teaches us what to say, when to say it, and how to make it count so that we're helping more people. I'm not sure if it's for you. Immediately creates FOMO in the other person's brain. Their little voice in their head says, I'll make that decision. Tell me what it is, I'll decide. Because nobody wants to be told what to do. Nobody wants to be told what's for them. So when we say, I'm not sure if it's for you, the other benefit to us is it's a rejection-free way to introduce something to somebody.
Hey, I'm Shannon Colby. I'm a realtor. This is my third year as an agent. I've been in real estate since 2019. I tell you what, the biggest thing for me from the workshop is to learn to stop saying things like, I'd love to XYZ, because I say that all the time, and really just to be more mindful of my word choice when I'm speaking with clients and people that I know. It's a no-brainer. If you want to be successful in your relationships, be it business or personal, come to the workshop. Just do it.
So you might be wondering, well, how do I learn exactly what to say? Where does this come into my town or into my world? Well, there's a little book that you could buy directly off of Amazon called Exactly What to Say. And if you're looking for a workshop where you can go deeper with this work, the good news is those are happening everywhere, in person and virtually. And when you dedicate yourself to this work as the professional that you are, you're building a skill set that helps you differentiate yourself from everybody else that's doing the work that you're doing.
My name is Joseph Daly, and I've been a real estate agent since 2018. It was really helpful to re-anchor our thinking that everything that we do and everything that we say is about what helps the other person. If you're on the fence about coming to this workshop and it's coming to your town, you need to cancel your calendar and just show up. It's going to impact your business for months and probably years to come.
People don't want to buy or sell a home. They do not. They want to buy or sell a home because. And if you don't take the time to find out the because, then you are making it about you and your agenda and what you want. But if you take the time to understand their reasons, then they will trust you with the solution that they need. If you tell them that you have their answer, they'll tell you that they don't have the problem. And if this work sounds like something that could benefit you in your life, either in your business life or personal life, then follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram at @the_Nicole_Cramer. You can also find my YouTube channel where I share all kinds of tips and tricks on how you can earn more trust and be more influential in the conversations that matter most to you. I look forward to hearing from you.